If you want to defend life, the gender-based violence, for an example, bring people back to what they know better and bring back people to what they are. As a girl and as a woman, the main struggle has been always around water. On your way to fetch water, anything could happen. Harassment, rape. The force into relationships, they are rooted in that a girl cannot decide. In a patriarchal society, women have got a place. The chiefs own the land. Then the next to the chief is a man of the household, but not the girl. My grandmother, when I was 4, she assigned me a piece of land and said to me, you grow what you want there. It's permission to create. I believe that people, once they are conscientized, people can make choices. What I would really like for the girls is to understand that when they're protecting the environment, it's not about something that is abstract and out there. It's about protecting themselves and their identity and who they are. We've seen a lot of changing in the weather behaviors, the time to plant, the availability of water. It tells us that things are not the same. This area has been taken over by timber, and we begin to wonder what would have life been if communities had all the grazing land. The reason we created these gardens that have fruit trees and everything is not for us only, is to attract the biodiversity, the bees, the birds. Although we are the group of women, I've seen some men coming and say, can we join the group? Now all the men are working in the field, not gender-based violence. No, I wouldn't say that. But when young men are conscientized, when you bring them into one space of working into a garden, something changes in them in terms of relationship. That's my dream. Men and women working together, knowing so well that the earth lives. It is possible.